Hi guys, Mike at Southport Automart. The next car today is a 2014 64 Volkswagen Sharan. It's a 2 litre TDI SEL DSG, 68,000 miles, with one of the most comprehensive service histories I think I've ever seen, which I'll come back to shortly. Let me tell you about the specification. Electric sliding rear doors, special pearl effect paint, lane assist, integrated child seats, keyless entry, roof rails in chrome, retractable roller blind for the rear side windows, multifunction steering wheel. Let me show you the service history, because it is, like I say, as comprehensive as I think I've probably ever seen. 7124, 14163, 16517, 23458, 33121, 40,000 miles. Cam belt and water pump there as well, 49,909 and 61,637. Like I say, including the cam belt and water pump. So you've got obviously your big twin panoramic roof, electric doors, electric tailgate. That's the original head unit. Well, this which is left, and I've just taken those out there, the head restraints for there. I always say the same thing, we advertise them as soon as they come in, so if there's bits we need to sort out, I'll show it you now, which is just that rear bumper where it's been lightly scratched with things going in and out the boot. We're gonna repaint that there, so we'll just do the full back bumper. Electric seats. Current mileage 68,166, and that's an upgraded Pioneer head unit to incorporate a big colour reverse camera. Right, if you'd like any more extra pictures or videos, part exchange prices, finance inquiries, anything at all, give us a call or send us a message. Thank you.